Okay, so the winner of the Big Brother Naija All Stars. You know, say for basketball they get All Star.
Yeah.
And if you be All Star, the part of what they did on CV. It's on a 7-time All Star. He was a 10-time All Star. They can't do that. All of them be superstar. They can't bring them come back and she win. Ilebaye in the studio. Ilebaye,
the Gen Z Bade. You don't forget that one, no.
Ilebaye, the Gen Z Bade. Ilebaye, welcome to Naija FM.
Thank you so
congratulations.
much. Thank you.
You look so fine. I like your packaging this morning.
Thank you. They represent
you know, first of all, I've been on tell you before we open microphone. Say our votes no waste.
No waste.
I support you. I vote for you.
Thank you so much.
You know, this is why they use premium. They say you get 2,500 votes. I give her to it. You understand? But congratulations.
Thank you.
You understand?
So much.
And of course, Pere they inside the studio. They call him the General. General Pere, welcome to Naija FM.
How you doing now?
Once more time.
With the shoe, man. With the shoe.
Pere, who should they use bedroom for a stock word?
That's what they are, okay. Don't worry, I'll be street. Forget all these ones.
Me say na street now. Me say na worry.
You worry.
I be worried too.
I be 100% the Shekiri.
If you Shekiri, I be German.
You see, I be
Robo.
Urobo. Correct. All of us. Everybody like that.
Okay, welcome guys. And of course, let DJ Mo start with Lebaye. Most start with Pere. Pere, when they show your highlights, it be like movie.
It be like movie. I be movie star now.
No, you get punching of the wall, you get this and all that. So
almost there.
Without your movie trailer where they play, you get any part of my way if you say, I for not do this one, I overreact. Maybe I for pipe down yes more. You get any part of my way you know if you say not supposed to be?
Nothing. Yeah.
Even with all the fight with Alex, with doing.
I don't fight with anybody.
So we
people carry fight come meet me now.
Okay, the carry fight come meet you. But you don't fight with anybody. But when the carry fight come meet you, how you react to the fight? I make a fight now.
They say to every action there's an equal and opposite reaction.
You be science student.
Ahead now.
And Newton's law
you sabi the law.
Action and reaction are equal and opposite.
Absolutely.
So that the action and bring the reaction. Okay,
so every action there's an equal and opposite reaction.
That one are physics.
Yeah.
You understand? Okay, so what really happened between you and Alex? Where what's really happened?
From beginning of the show, you get on the find my wahala. So what's it happen with CC? Me, I be very, very people who know me will tell you I be soft spoken guy. I be softy. This tough exterior when then I just to hide the softy. The soft sense when they inside.
Protect your softy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I know they find person wahala. Until you carry wahala come meet me or you disrespect me in any way, then I'll treat you fuck up in the best.
Radio, ding, 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 ding.
Okay, ding, 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 ding. I go treat you off in the best way possible. Within legal confinements or within the rules. So me, I never meet Alex before. I meet him for house. Well, I don't been see him for one this thing like that, one party for when they do for AY side one time like that. But I just hi, hello, hi.
Yeah.
Just I don't know the babe 1-on-1. When she come house, I know him. See, my first instance when the be say I can't notice him. Now when we can't get our wager, first wager, when the be say the babe just the way she hold the wager, just they coordinate things for the wager. I say, well, this babe she get brain, she's smart. So me, I can't try to, they close, like, just be friends with the babe, just to know her for the house. Nothing attached, I don't get anything from mine, for outside, nothing. So, that one can't they go like that. So, I can't discover, say, as we they go, me, naturally, I did very competitive. You get what I talk? I did very competitive. So, for the tasks, what we they do for arena, different tasks every time and all that. When we go arena, I go to do tasks. I go to show myself. I go to want me my team win. I go to want me the other team lose. And normal now. You they watch football, I mean. When Nigeria they play,
you want me the other opponent?
You go want me Brazil beat Nigeria?
Not at all.
You know, I'm a patriotic person. You get what I'm. Whatever team I'm on, I they want me win that team win.
Yes.
But some people they carry. She carry on for it like saying a bad thing that they do.
Because you want me the other people lose. And okay, so she did the other team when you want
she did the other team. Well, she know they usually they did my team. Now only maybe like once or twice then she did my team.
So she not happy say they want me their team lose. But if your team go win, the other team go lose.
You go lose now. This guy can't carry on
Naturally
talk
now.
say me are they competitive? I they do like this. What they ask people say, how pair they your team? How in day for the task? How did he behave? Kilo share.
Okay, but being competitive not be bad thing.
No, but you know, but she carry for it. So,
but the question I want to ask,
wait now. I never finish.
Okay,
Till they come.
Okay.
So as she gonna do all those ones, finish. She gonna make me look like bad person to other people. Say, this guy they too competitive. They run me down. So, and we get mutual friend for the house. She at some point I can't call my guy. I say, oh my guy, how far? She this baby and why should he do like this? So along the line, Ele by herself been there the picture of like we can't get his daughter father thing when they go on. Alex, that around that time, me and Alex they cool. So the role play, Ele by and my daughter.
You be her father. Alex
and mama because Alex and Ele by herself they close and me and Alex we on talking terms that time. So that kind role play been there, which was good. So now the thing when can they happen now? Be say Alex after she gonna do all these ones, me I can't even want the draw body go back because I don't like the pattern. Every small thing she want can they talk, they disrespect. They poke. It was too much. From threatening to slap me one day when he be say me and Messi and Omashola dey for kitchen. All of us the true we just the bant. And me and Omashola for house we be worried. So we dey abuse ourselves. We were like play. And me and Omashola we understand ourselves. Even Messi self. So Messi can't talk say I'm a pair bad well. Omashola no she say pair no bad no too bad like that. Next thing Omashola can't talk say I'm a pair bad. I believe that thing bad well. Like for me now, I'll just dey laugh because I don't see and I understand the I play all of us they play. I can't say anybody will talk say bad ya papa. Before I know it happen, Alex John jump and say, make I know the cause her father. I say, shoot. I don't even hear you when you talk anything. No.
I see that one.
You see,
I see him.
You gonna tell and say, that not be the first time. They always try to insert himself.
She been talk something before that time.
I don't know.
Oh, okay, so maybe she did say they react to something where she don't talk where you know.
I know.
No be even she a parent they refer to.
Okay. Now,
Omashola in the
so in the nation a stray bullet.
Na stray bullet. Well,
so
this one now, what they call people that go call Godin, Abi?
Yes, now he can't want to go. They want to insert himself, and they do like that. All that they do like that for weeks. And they shun, they avoid. So that day now, for kitchen, I dey wash plates. Before I know what happened, this babe just come meet me say, "Come, don't be talking. If you're talking to my I don't say I beg Alex shifts. I know they talk to you. No, they don't tell him. Pere no be you pere they talk to. He they talk to Omashola. Omashola say na me they talk to. She won't come. They do not tell her say I beg me she shifts. She can't tell me say, Omo say if you ever insult my father, I go slap you. You won't slap, man. I don't understand.
Maybe you don't watch too much.
I can't. It made me vex. So that day when I did for bed, another same day this thing happened. That for night I did bed because me and Messi don't been day. We don't the day close for house. So me I want day close to Messi. Like Messi was about the only person who was bringing out the love inside of me. She was bringing so much love to me, you know. So me and the babe we try to get to know ourselves, just the bands and everything for us. I can't say, make I go inside blue room, make I move go blue room, make I day for bed when Prince me they sleep before they evict them. So we just did there. I don't sleep there several nights. I don't did there. All of a sudden, one night, like blessed devil enter Alex said, come to meet me say, now my bed be this. Make I come out. Shoo. Now your bed. I can't tell us it no be your bed though. This bed no belong to anybody. This bed now bed when Prince me they sleep before. They don't evict them. And we don't dey few for the house. The bed many pass people in the house. So and according to the rule book, we are free to sleep anywhere. As long as no be the initial space when anybody take and the person still there. You are free to sleep anywhere. Say make I come out. Say Omo, I'd say they play before. Say make I get out. Say make I come out for the bed. She come vex, come out, don't yank the thing, yank the mattress, yank the bed sheet from where I did. When I don't sit down, they don't play down first phone now. Now later they come show now when they come give us strike. They come yank the thing, come yank the other one. on my shoulder be sleep for this other side of another bed. I dey sleep for this one. This girl use vex, yank the thing, almost scratch my leg in the process. I dey look and say, be like say this girl don't Chris. I say, okay, I no go touch you. I know they beat woman. I know sabi beat woman. I never done for my life. What did I come to say? I just walk across. I say, by the time I come back, just come up from this bed. Otherwise, while I feed day, I just go bring the two. What is they call her now? The two duvets then. When she carry go outside, carry and come back inside. She still there on top of my bed, all balance. Mercy come they tell her say, but you know say you no go sleep for here. Why you disturb this guy? Come out from here, go your room. She still no go. I remove I just remove, I come the whole mattress from underneath her legs. So you say, okay, you know me, I sleep here. You said no sleep here.
Now they're different. I've had a fight break out.
So what I go ask you now? Why when she come for the bed, why you know we just walk away?
No, I know if you walk away. You get the thing so you go walk away, not be that one.
Okay, fine. The DJ wants to one question, but I want to ask you something else. This issue of being competitive, all right, it is good to be competitive, but share you feel say your competitive edge day a bit on the high side, and I'll tell you why they ask. In a matter of time when we not finish on our head of house games, where you say Adekunle interrupt you. Or that make you no win. You call the vex. They shall say you block me. That I asked this for others. I say, these people don't blow themselves.
No,
you can't be like say. You can't be like say.
That sound game.
You pay you well when they say you.
No, everybody.
You for
no,
win.
See, no,
but your reaction like say that you paying person that you because you get chance to win head of us that time, but in action make you no win. So you can't vex for them. So that's another example of your competitive edge. If you say you're on there a bit on the higher side.
You know they on the high side. So see that thing when happened between me and Adekunle, now normal thing because that game itself, the game was designed. The game make person fuck another person up.
Ding ding.
Because if find this pen,
wait, hold on.
When I bring container, the next time you will drop something there. You understand? So
the game, the designer made person mess another person up.
Okay.
So even that time, me and Ilebaye been they close for house. So me, Ilebaye and Kid, now I go. We did the same group. So me and Kid come to the agreement. Say almost say now Ilebaye will go remove for say because we know the other people win the other teams. Then their competitive level they like this. You get Soma, you get Cross, you get Adekunle, you get on some of the other girls still there. We can't feel say maybe Ilebaye Fino Ginger well. Now waiting will be they feel. So we can't say okay. We will come out the babe.
That's still not a valid reason, though.
We can't use say okay. So me and all of us can't pause sounds for the babe. This thing we can't come out time, right? Now so the game was designed say another people be they plot us.
Yeah.
So me now I can't say okay. Maybe we plot some other people for the other teams too. So they if like say somebody can't go snitch. Can't go tell them someone, and the whole house be no one make her be head of house. My guy,
you never be head of house.
I swear to God,
you be general.
No, wait, I swear to God, if say me I be head of house for the house, they for you win. What's I do for Cheyenne small? People for vest come out, take voluntary exit because I carry red eye come down, so they don't know.
Maybe they don't sense and
I carry red eye come.
Okay,
they for you win.
Okay, fine. We'll talk to Ilebaye now.
Lady J. Ask.
No, we'll come back to parent. Ilebaye looking beautiful. Congratulations
so
one more
much.
time.
Thank
and
you.
the general belief outside now, and which is about the housemates talk say you go find trouble on the form victim.
No, the way they put them, they say she did deliberately poke.
Yeah, you say if like say you
poke other people, so, then she go come they add.
So there are two questions in one. Share not true or na your strategy to join everybody here together.
I don't know how to really speak pidgin like that,
but
I go just they try.
Okay.
So it no be strategy, and the second one. What did you say? The second. Wait till you talk for the
strategy,
second.
or you do them intentional.
I didn't do. I know do on purposely. Like it's be intentional. I feel say they misunderstand me a lot for the house. Being say I be the youngest. Like the mentality and everything. So now why? So everything was just.
But say the thing work for you because Nigerians naturally like to support the underdog, the person way. If Nigerians just feel say everybody know like this person, Nigerians go queue there. So because every time you quarrel with anybody for the house, their voice loud past your own. They be like, see, if he beat you, they senior you. So you go be like, everybody they intimidate this girl. In fact, more will support her. Now, part of what give you a lot of the support. Now, what make me support you? Actually, they intimidate this girl. She no get strength. Okay, I go support her. Now, what me self feel? So, you feel that that way.
That they supported me because of that.
Yeah, say you feel that you be like that you they fragile. You know they're too strong. Every other person they stronger than you and bigger and older than you.
To me, right now, if you been say now because they love me. No matter if I be underdog thinking now because they get this genuine love for me now why they support me because they know say now me supposed to win the money now my time be this.
Okay,
so,
now wow. All right, so Elebaye, now I want to talk about your friendship with Doing because at some point it be like say una day close Doing they fight your battle, they defend you. At some point you tell them say make she stop to the fight your battle, and then Doing when they feel like say the energy, they get the same energy from you to the point say during one of her diary sessions she they complain to Biggie, she can't they cry say you hurt her, you betray her, they there for her, defend her, she give you all the support, defend you, and then you just abandon her when she need you to stand by her. So what did exactly happen to your friendship with Doing?
Before we came into the house, we know being close, we know they even talk or follow each other, you get. So we just just as normal person. So as I come the house, I come back, she be my level up person, and that connection where you go just feel for person, and she was there for me. She stand before me. I go talk her for
stand
this
by
stand by yeah.
So and she's more of the expressive type when it comes to friendship, and I'm beginning to just know what friendship, because before I even go the house I don't get friends, so I don't really get friend people. Do you get? So I don't know how to really express.
So you sit there in the process of understanding the friendship and building it,
and make her understand the
so she don't already there at a level where she expects say you could act as somebody who don't fully understand the relationship.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll link that into one question.
Okay.
Who you go carry as your +1 for your trip? You go carry her go when I use the opportunity, known herself or somebody else?
I go carry my mama go.
Okay, so now you be the youngest BBN winner, the first to win BB Naija All-Stars, the second female level up winner. You also be the first female where they no save. Acquire immunity. You become the finalist you win head of house, the first female housemate where you win the most task and the prize money. How you feel with all this record in one? Just
well, I forget one thing again, no.
That remind us.
The first youngest ever to win Big Brother.
So how you feel with all these records where only you get
I feel
in
like
one?
A star.
Wow, and you be star.
The
of
grace
course.
too much.
The grace too much.
Yes, now my time. This year just the same for me.
Okay.
So, and I'm very, very, I be grateful. I did very, very grateful to God for listening to me, for making sure that now I take this. Now this year, just the perfect year where God just now you just get him.
Your time.
My daughter, take the crown. It belongs to you. So
okay, maybe we'll talk about ships now. Maybe we'll talk ships. At the beginning, it be like say you and Neo be get something. Tolani badge enter inside the matter, scatter everything. Una no day together again. Then Cross can't enter inside the equation to the point say una even share some kisses. Then suddenly now that one too it can't fizzle out. No more you and Cross came up right enter the picture. Day again. So waiting how it takes start. Waiting that one be for you now something where you they look forward to say okay outside house will be built on or not just to enjoy yourself for the moment.
I go now, and two things where I go that house do. No, not three, to explore, to have fun, and to win the money. So as I go to the house, obviously now a house they cold, you go need person where you go just cuddle, vibrate. For Cross, not just the connection, right? If you know, be say I like to date but not just make you just have fun, nothing really
so
serious.
the kiss na experiment, right?
Not experiments, but just fun.
It just happened.
Not feelings. I find him attractive.
Okay. How you feel? What will be the first thing on your mind when Ebuka announce your name? Because I see you
you see me for floor.
I see you for floor in the road and all that.
That one don't do.
Okay.
The expression don't do.
What will be the first thing when you go buy?
The first thing
where you go buy from the 120 million. I don't say you get all that money. That's one. What will be the first thing when you go buy? Say, I will buy this one to show. Say yes. Now with this big money, I'm gonna buy this one. You don't think
The only thing where I think, apart from my tithes, I go buy my mama and papa something.
Okay.
And that one
Go
sure
buy them, so after your time, go buy your parents something first.
everything, yes.
Okay, who be the first person where you call when you come out for the house?
First person I call.
Yeah, when you give you your phone, you call. First person where you call the moment you leave the house.
Because I don't see my mama and papa for stage. But I call another person.
Who be the person?
You go pay me when I pay.
Okay, so parent, now maybe we'll talk to you about ships.
Yeah, I'm
Now
We see him and Messi up and down.
Wait, before we get to that message, I want to do
Yeah.
small flashback down to your season. Shine your eye. Be like say you and Maria been one start something, nothing happened. As after Maria, nothing with any babe.
Maria been get guy for us. I don't make anything.
They see that very soft side of you, and then we can't see.
Sorry, you know why you talk this
week.
soft like that? You know, say for your first time, first year say this guy na former US
Villain.
military or
So
so everybody they expect
once a military man.
So,
I'll go Afghanistan.
So people they
I don't go, don't shoot.
So you go find Osama myself.
No worry, we don't do this.
But some people they always get that feeling say na former military guy, so they look for that hardness. So actually they try to add to the facts. Now we want to see softer,
A very soft
loving
because
side of
several
you.
times you cry, you shed tears. I say,
Yes, now.
Yeah.
I shed tears for Shania. I won't have.
No.
You know, now.
No. But you shed tears in
Yes,
All
now.
Stars. You know, so
now.
then we can notice towards the finals, you and Mercy. So in fact, they can't even give you a ship name. Where be my papa middle name? Percy.
For real?
Yes, my papa middle name na Percy. So
shit.
we need to know where did they go, and then we not come quarrel on after the party. What caused that fight?
Oh, that one when I need done.
Yes.
To show you, say, me, I don't get it. I don't carry anything.
You don't want to get the need for another one.
No,
Explain.
come out there.
Explain.
Come out there. Now you want start on that thing.
Yeah, need that for another one. Yeah, explain because you don't say she no video with man we get female friend. Talk.
No, man. She don't set her. She don't set the rules. So
okay. So you like the rules?
We'll play by the rules.
So the ship they go somewhere now.
My brother, everything when starts, they get destination. They get destination.
No, but we need to know what exactly caused that fight.
That fight. Okay, so everything been they go smooth between me and the babe. You know, between me and Mercy. So that party don't come. Me, I've been getting for myself. If I sit down for that party, I know we'll talk to her. So I don't be getting for myself. I know we'll follow her. I don't even look at. You get some people and I know they hide my own. I talk on the streets. I guess some people when they say I don't go follow them hand if I see them until we don't agree. Say more. This now where you fuck up. This now where I fuck up.
Oh God! $100 in wallet. $100.
This now where you mess up. This now where I mess up. Then everybody will come. Remove themselves from their self. Come. Say they don't really but aside that so that day I've been doing so don't come give me middle fingers. I look at him, she can't give me middle finger, can't they laugh, so and I know how doing beef. She really the best. She go show him if she they use play they try tell you say my one set to this fight too. She go use play do her. So she can't use play do her. And I say okay, bless this girl no carry me for mine true. And I say okay, forget it. Myself, I don't carry for mine. So myself can't do like this. Can't give him back middle finger. Two of us gonna laugh with middle finger. Gonna do. I can't tell him say. I can't mount him say I'm sorry.
Okay.
As I can't mount him say I'm sorry. She can't laugh. She can't say no kneel down. She can't laugh say no kneel down.
Okay.
No, kneel down. So me I can't kneel down quick.
As a gentleman that you
gentleman that I am. I can't kneel down quick. Can't say I'm sorry. And she can't say okay. We can't give herself
air hug.
So as Mercy can't see me now, you
don't apologize.
And I understand.
You don't apologize.
She tell me say she para, and I understand her para, and he pain myself say I make her feel like that.
Yeah.
So I quick
Apologize.
I beg her.
Good.
Say man, I'm sorry for kneeling down, but now waiting make me kneel down with this. Ain't no go come out anything from my body at the end of the day. See, don't they think like most other girls they reason. Amongst the other girls when I get issues with, I believe say doing are the one person when it be say she did very logical.
Very logical.
She did very logical and she did see reason with most things. So now I respect doing you. A correct babe.
Then you know what I don't know about Pere. Even all the madness, soldier and everything. Pere need down, Pere cry, Pere now.
He gets very much. But I no go lie, that blue way you give that wall. Hey.
Now Wallo.
Hey, no, God.
Okay, so more.
I don't bang table. You say, okay, wait, hold on. If you say that table now, when I bang, you know Simone a bang table.
I see you now.
If you say the table now, you say the thing they light. If for break now.
Or like say na glass for.
For wound me. If you say that wall na concrete. The wall for no break now.
And then you're not.
You get what I'm saying? The only thing when they carry bang wall. People dead there, boys, girls dead there when I bang the table. I don't know they make it. I better free that thing. All I eat.
Okay, so Ilabai, what do you want to tell your fans, people support you and all that? I should say you get a message for them. Some of them still they wait to hear. Okay, what do Ilabai you go talk to us? You tell us now because we support her and we're happy that she win. I will just talk to them and tell us what next for you going forward.
Okay, first I would like to thank you guys so much for our support and everything. Like, I did grateful, like, for you guys believing in me, believing that I'm worth winning that money, in as much as I'm even young and you feel like, oh, I can handle it. Thank you so much. I had 2 strikes in the house. I was so stubborn, like I'm always drinking everything, but you guys still believed, still stood by me. You are not even, I beg this one, just go. You are still there. You still loved me with my bad side and everything. I am forever grateful to you guys, and I can't wait for us to we've started the journey together, and I can't wait for us to grow to the journey. And I promise you guys I would never disappoint. I know lots of people want me to go down, they want to see my downfall, but we're going to prove them wrong, that we're going to make it together. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate, and I love you guys so F much. And to my next journey.
Your next journey,
right now.
After you don't enjoy all different, because you go see go trips, you go see do ambassador, whatever, all the stuff, but all that, when all those ones die down, finish.
Yeah.
What next? We say would they see Ilabai for movies, for hosting shows, for old fashion, whatever. What would they see Ilabai? And then one question I will ask you, Ilabai, Messi be the advice you say, maybe you do BBL, maybe you go do them.
Now, never use razor on my body.
I'm
sexy like this. Have you seen
know.
me?
I like you the way you are.
Thank you so much.
So
I'm natural.
not do anyone, yeah.
We the Gen Z bad.
You be like this. We like you. Vote for you to win. So we don't need you to change.
No change. I beg.
So you know, go do a nice one. Okay, so tell us what next when all this goes.
But I think she was joking then. She didn't really. Yes, she was right. My next thing right now. Okay, I want to go. Oh, my talent. Who saw my talent? I'm a good actress, so I would love to go into that. If there's any opportunity that comes my way, I'd love to pursue it. Even I'm a model too.
Okay.
Yeah, so any deals, any wonderful thing, I would love to move and also support anyway. And I also want to get my orphanage home too. By God's grace, that's something I'm also working on. And my business, my empire. So after everything, I would love to settle down to think of how I'm going to handle everything. I don't want to rush into things.
Just
the money
just
is
take
there
your time.
now.
So you pace
so
yourself.
I don't want to like, because the money is there, let me just now.
So
I really want to have genuine people around me who is going to like advise me and lead me to the good, right path, and let my empire know that like the next 50 years will be like Ilabai.
Yes.
You see they move.
I like the fact that you get planned to also set up an orphanage and give back also too.
But one thing I want to add now, you resemble your mama well. You be your mama look alike. I see him, I say it just be like your mama just vomit you come out, and that one be good. So I enjoy the fact say you know one rush, and the truth now say at this stage where you did, so many people go come around, so go remind you say do not be distant cousin. The distance they see, but they just want as to say. So it day your hand today careful with who go be your friend, who go come around you now.
Thank you so much. So just remind everybody your social media handles before you come off for studio.
Okay. Follow me up, you guys, on IG Ilebaye with 3 E's. Yes. Then Snapchat Ilebaye, like Ilebaye, but with 2 E's.
2
like
E's, okay.
Yes. Okay. Then Twitter. I think it's Ilebaye official. I'll be official Ilebaye.
Okay.
Yes. So it's verified, so you know it.
All right.
Yeah. So TikTok, I think Ilebaye official one. So please follow up. I love you guys. Signing out, your Gen Z Bade.